Hey guys, so today I'm going to be baking some chicken in my Ninja cooking system. I just seasoned up some chicken and, season however you like. And I marinated using this World Harbor's jerk seasoning and mango. I mixed the both. It's up to you, whichever one you want to use. Marinade, seasoning, whichever seasoning you want to use. So here's my bag. I put it in a bag. Let it sit overnight, or you can do maybe half an hour, whichever you have time for. Okay, so you just turn it on. Power button is right here. And what I always like to do with any chicken, even if I'm cooking on a stove top or anything, I like to sear my chicken a little bit. So I'm going to press the stove top and put it on high. Now I'm going to be adding some oil. Mine is already hot because I had it on before I started recording this video. So you let it get hot, maybe about 5 minutes, not long. It gets hot fast. When it gets hot, you can add your oil, the oil of your choice. I'm using whatever oil I have on hand here, which is vegetable oil. Maybe like that much. I like to get the oil in, move it around the pot. Move it around the pot a little bit. And give it a few minutes for the oil to get warm. And then once the oil is warm, I'm going to be adding my chicken. So I'm going to be adding my chicken. That sound is a good sound. You want to hear that. That means the pot is hot enough. Okay, so that's about enough searing for me. I basically wanted to do it for the chicken with the skin on it to make it a little crispier. I don't really like the skin, but some people do. And what I'm about to do now is add the rest of the sauce that was in the bag with the marinating. Okay. Done with that. I usually don't add liquid, so we're gonna see how this goes. If it needs a little liquid, I might add a little chicken broth, but right now what we're gonna do is turn on bake. As you can see here, it's dry bake or steam bake. So what we're gonna do is do steam bake. Steam bake to me is just keeps the chicken moist. So I'm gonna put this on for 1 hour. You see the time set? The time set for 1 hour. Then we're gonna come back and check it. Don't forget to add the lid. So I'm coming in, you see, we still got 45 minutes. I'm coming in just to, check my chicken, give it a look, see where it's at. Sorry for the steam on the camera. As you can see, this is why I didn't add any liquid, but it's up to you if you want to add, any liquid to your chicken. I'm just going to replace the lid. And, every so often, how you would do if your food was in the oven, give it a check if you would like. Or, you can just leave it and check it when it's done. I like to check mine. just to be sure where I'm at. So guys, as you can see, I have about 15 minutes left. And what I have done is chopped up an onion. You know, that's if you like to do. I'm just cooking my chicken how I like my chicken. So now I'm going to add the onion in, okay? And guys, I didn't have to cook the chicken for the full hour, as you can see. But you make sure you check your chicken and cook it how you cook it. So I've added the onions and I'm just going to give it a quick stir. That's it. And let it cook for the rest of the minutes that are left. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you guys. After checking my chicken, I ended up adding water because it became a little dry. So just make sure you check it throughout, you know, the cooking period. When you buy the Ninja cooking system, it comes with this book. You know, it gives you different recipes on the different settings. They had a few good recipes in here that we tried, just to let you know. Okay, it's all done, guys. And once your food is done cooking, you know, you don't have to rush. If you're doing busy in the house or if you stepped out for a few seconds, you don't have to, you know, rush to turn it off. It automatically goes to the stay warm setting. So it will stay on that setting until you turn it off. All right, guys, thank you for watching.